Joe is no stranger to presenting on these kind of events, and he's going to talk to us about asynchronous and moderated speaking practice, and I'm really excited. So Joe, over to you.
Okay, this is the first time I've ever presented in Microsoft Teams. That's very exciting. So I'm hoping everyone can see my screen. Is that right?
Yes, we can.
Fantastic. Okay, so this is literally just my screen with a bit of details about myself and the session title. I've actually made a tutorial on this as well, which is here available on my YouTube channel, which is JoeDale100. But I'm actually going to show you this live. So it's here. We go to QWIQR Conversations. This is all about speaking, listening skills and feedback, which you heard about earlier. So I click on Create Instant Feedback. I have to be signed in as a teacher, but the students do not need to be signed in. I click on Start a QWIQR Conversation here, like that. And then I click Record, like this. Blah, 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 blah. Click Stop. It uploads onto the servers, which are in the UK. This was a physics teacher in the UK who created this. You can add text and web links and what have you, but at the bottom there, it allows you to moderate the conversation. So if I click on Moderate and I click Start your QWIQR Conversation, then what will now happen is we'll get a new page. I'm going to click on my QR code generator and I'm going to scan the QR code. Feel free to scan this as well if you have a mobile device. I tap on that and then I'll be able to then access my, I'll be able to record some audio immediately right now. So I'm going to tap on the microphone on my iPad like this and tap record. Blah, 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 blah. This is me replying. Blah, 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 blah. This is me replying to my first audio response, as this is a great way of giving feedback or practicing speaking remotely in an asynchronous manner. Tap stop, it uploads. As you can see on the screen now, in a moment, there we are. Can you see my audio has appeared? If you want to send me some audio right now in the next minute, that'd be lovely. I click on play and click approve. And that's it. If anyone wants to send me anything in the next 10 seconds, that'd be lovely. As you can see here, I can click on the padlock option and I can lock the conversation if I want to, which means that no one else can then reply to that that audio. So QWIQR Conversations, you can use it individually to give audio feedback and put it into exercise books in a normal situation. Let's just listen to this now. Lovely. Click approve. So I've approved all your audio. That's lovely. And I love how this is moderated. It's absolutely fantastic. So thanks ever so much. I'm going to lock the conversation now. Like this, lock conversation. That means no one else can reply. So thanks ever so much. And that's my first TeachMeet in Microsoft Teams. Awesome.
Thanks, Joe. Frankly, you look like a professional.